This is where the Boeing 787 Dreamliner begins, on paper, where imagination meets calculation.
The 787's wings are designed for optimal aerodynamic efficiency, allowing for significant flexibility to improve fuel economy during flight.
The standby instrument placement is too centralized.
Yeah.
Moving the PFD synchronization off the main display could cause issues.
If we adjust the seat configuration here, we gain 3 inches of pitch.
But what about the emergency exit visualization near the...
Thermal simulation showing temperature impacts on Boeing 787 Dreamliner carbon fiber body.
The aluminum alloy offers superior conductivity, but the tensile strength of the composite is remarkable.
Yes, and regarding the tail section updates, how does the structural reinforcement affect the weight distribution?
It's minimal. The primary focus for
This incredible flexibility you see in the wings allows the 787 to cut through smoothly.
Stress analysis heat map showing high-pressure red zones on Boeing 787 Dreamliner fuselage.
By integrating the lift and drag coefficients across the wing surface area, we arrive at the final thrust requirement circled here in red.
I find the pitch quite generous.
And the headrest support here is excellent.
Monitoring system response. Slight turbulence at this altitude, correction applied. Runway in sight.
The green light for a new legend. A global giant begins its journey thousands of miles from final assembly.
The layering sequence looks good on this segment.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance for the cure cycle.
The scan data confirms the alignment, no discrepancies on section 4.
Checked against the blueprint, it matches the specifications perfectly.
Excellent, let's proceed.
See this density change right here? That could indicate a subsurface microfracture.
Agreed. We should run the ultrasonic test sequence next.
Engineers calibrate hydraulic systems that will control Boeing 787 Dreamliner wing movement. Blade edges of turbine fans for Boeing 787 Dreamliner sharpened with diamond tools.
All right, easy now, clear on the left. Confirm, coming in steady.
Ready to seal this section?
Yeah, hold it steady. The heat is consistent now.
Looks good. Tear off the excess.
Each piece of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner arrives with its own history, its own journey, and its own precision.
The arrival marks the next chapter in assembly.
Time-lapse of Boeing 787 Dreamliner parts being transported across the factory yard to designated zones.
Component registered. Tracking system shows green.
The forward fuselage from Wichita is showing a 2-hour delay.
Reroute the next shipment through the polar track. Visibility is clear.
We have a potential bottleneck here with the landing gear arrival timeline.
Cross-referencing the manifest, we can pull from the buffer.
Every piece has one destination. This is where single parts become a single aircraft.
We need to shift it slightly to the right. The reading is still unstable.
All right, I'm making the adjustment now. Looks good, we have alignment.
That's a tight fit, 4 thou on the digital.
Yeah, acceptable range. Logging it now.
Easier on the brace, watch the clear on the vortex, set strut now.
Robot scans Boeing 787 Dreamliner seams using ultrasonic detection for hidden internal flaws.
Sealant being applied along Boeing 787 Dreamliner joint line to prevent future air leakage. Camera pans across rows of pre-joined Boeing 787 Dreamliner fuselage, waiting final bonding.
Look at the stress distribution over the wing box. Chaos. That's consistent with the fatigue model, but the readings are higher than expected.
From separate pieces to a unified form.
These wings redefine efficiency in modern aviation.
Maintain current trajectory. We need 2 more millimeters inboard.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now. The marker is centered.
The stress test results on panel 432 look good.
Confirmed. The trailing edge alignment is within tolerance as well.
We are seeing a slight fluctuation on the number 3 gauge.
That's within the expected parameters for this phase of the cycle.
Pistons and rods moving as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner wing flex test initiates.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment on the inboard side.
I see it.
Setting the first bolt now.
The readings on sensor 3 are still unstable.
Okay, let me realign the transducer and rerun the sequence.
White light check, passing.
Recorded. Red light, go.
Affirmative. Green light, clear.
All systems nominal.
Exterior seam sealing applied along Boeing 787 Dreamliner wing route to prevent moisture.
A modern wing must think.
Inside this empty shell, a flying environment will soon come to life.
Okay, the schematic shows this bundle goes into the forward channel.
Got it. Pulling it through now. Make sure it clears the bracket.
Cabin lighting system tested on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner for the first time.
Looks good. The flow rate is steady and the lanyard is secure. Confirmed. Deployment sequence passed.
This is the brain.
Cabin doors tested on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner with pressurization equipment.
The heart of flight is delivered.
I'm seeing a slight anomaly on this turbine blade near the cowling joint.
The readings on the tablet confirm the thermal signature is normal. We are clear for installation.
Okay, the alignment is green.
Confirmed. Logging the coordinates now.
Titanium locking pins slide into place, securing engine to Boeing 787 Dreamliner structure.
Both engines mounted. Camera circles around the Boeing 787 Dreamliner for dramatic reveal.
Apply the final torque sequence now.
And the gauge reads within limits.
Fuel line clamps lock tightly into the Boeing 787 Dreamliner engine intake system.
Final confirmation on Zone 4. We are clear to initiate the power sequence now. Stay vigilant.
Protective barriers set up as Boeing 787 Dreamliner engine rotation test begins.
All personnel, the area is clear. Initiating engine start sequence on Dreamliner. Stand by for rotation.
The engine fan blades begin spinning slowly on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner engine.
Wind and dust swirl as Boeing 787 Dreamliner engine reaches testing speed.
Temperature check is nominal.
Okay, log that on the tablet. Did you see the sensor array on the upper left?
Yes, they look good too.
With power in place, the dream nears reality.
Bring the next panel in slowly. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Copy that, coming in now. Looks good, secured in place.
Frame is set. Torque to spec, confirm locked.
All right, bring it down level.
Clear on this side.
Lock it in.
Aligning the tracks now. Okay, hit the bolts. Check the center connection.
A little lower on your side.
Okay, power tool engaged. Looks secure.
Highlight the hydraulic lock snapping into place as overhead bins are secured inside the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Show adhesive technology bonding decorative sidewall panels inside the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Display installation of ambient LED lighting strips across the ceiling panels of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Almost there. Bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Clear on the right.
Focus on leak testing gauges, monitoring pressure for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner restroom system.
Diagnostics are green, preparing the starboard scan.
Laser rig aligned and secured.
Confirmed. You are clear to activate the protocol.
Film specialists connecting cables and configuring monitoring systems that track electrical responses inside the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Capture operators analyzing real-time data as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner undergoes simulated turbulence conditions.
Look at the fluctuation on the elevation data right here. The vibration response is unexpected.
We need to confirm the inertial reference data stream before running the next sequence.
It is synchronized. The alignment looks correct now.
Entering the new flight profile via FMS.
Confirmed. Auto throttle response is immediate. Test successful.
Capture thermal scanning cameras monitoring engine heat signatures for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Zoom in on the infrared display illustrating engine temperature zones on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Pressure spike recorded at 5,000 psi. Noted.
Temperatures are climbing steadily.
Show the needle vibrating as brake pressure reaches maximum capacity inside the Boeing 787 Dreamliner mechanical test stage.
It's official. The 787 is certified.
We did it! We did it! Yes!
Show the entire Boeing 787 Dreamliner positioned in the massive paint hangar as cranes and East Asian male specialists prepare for its exterior transformation.
We have a slight variance on the lower panel.
Compensating now. The trajectory is corrected.
Zoom in as a middle-aged Hispanic female technician gently sands and wipes the Boeing 787 Dreamliner to correct microsurface defects.
Okay, pull it tight on your side. Almost there. Watch the edge by the door.
Film inspectors calculating millimeter-level measurements to ensure perfect logo positioning on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Zoom in on the satisfying moment when protective film is peeled back,
revealing sharp colors on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Show the final glossy protective finish being sprayed across the Boeing 787 Dreamliner to enhance durability and shine.
Follow slowly along the length of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, showcasing its branding, curves, wings, and aerodynamic shape.
The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, an aerodynamic masterpiece captured with dramatic lighting.
We did it! 7087!
It looks amazing.
The fuselage looks pristine, fully compliant.
Yes, the report is green across the board. The Dreamliner is ready.
This is it. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? The mood lighting is perfect.
I can't believe the legroom they managed
Wow.
here. It feels incredibly spacious.
This indicator here shows the real-time thrust distribution across both engines.
So if we adjust the throttle position here, how does that affect the readings?
Zoom in on pilot hands testing flight controls in the Boeing 787 Dreamliner cockpit for validation.
This delivery marks a significant milestone for the airline. We are proud to introduce the Dreamliner to our fleet.
When will it begin service?
We did it. This is a huge milestone for the 787 program.
All right, bring it up slowly.
Connected and secure. Flow starting.
Brakes released. Roger that, turning left. Slowing down now and stop. Brakes set, ground clear. See ya.
Film the engines powering up, blades spinning, as the Boeing 787 Dreamliner prepares for takeoff.
Focus on the turbine spinning at incredible speed during Boeing 787 Dreamliner takeoff preparation.
Show the view from inside the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, as windows reveal breathtaking aerial scenery.